Alright, I'm going to start by coming in, introducing myself, clean hand hygiene, and putting my clean gloves on. As well as putting masks on myself, my patient, and anybody in the room. So I will start by putting a mask. I will take a mask. Patient?
Oh wait, these already have.
Okay. So now I will begin to remove the old dressing.
Are there any ones that do not?
And if needed, I can use a adhesive remover under.
Yeah.
Being careful not to remove the central line. In this instance, the microguard is coming off with it, but usually we would remove it after taking the dressing off. I will dispose of the old dressing. Now I will assess the site for any redness, swelling, anything abnormal around here. I don't see anything. So now I will remove my clean gloves and perform hand hygiene and put on my sterile gloves.
So the first kind of doing this procedure is hand hygiene. And after that or during that actually, I was gonna say
We're gonna act like my glove did not just break.
I like it.
I will now
First of all, I don't sound like that.
dispose. I will pick up, this is my sterile field. I will pick up my chlorhexidine. I'll crack it. I think you shake it, and then it should start to go. And you clean it well, rubbing around the site for 60 seconds. We're gonna say it's been 60 seconds at this point. Now we will dispose of our chlorhexidine. Now I will let that dry. I will get my skin prep out. Opening up my skin prep, I will put that around the site. Throwing that away, I will now put on my new micro guard. This is our micro guard here. Hoping this stays on our patient. Alright, now I will apply my new dressing, and then after I apply the dressing, I will put my initials, date, in the gauge right here and attach it to my dressing. Smoothing it around. I'll now remove this white part, making sure that my new dressing is staying on. We're gonna act like that's staying on. Okay, now I'll take this piece, or I could take a piece of tape, put my initials, date, and gauge, and apply that to my new dressing. So now I will be flushing this port, and since we only have one port, I'll just swab this port, this one port. Taking off this old one, swabbing this port really well. Taking my saline first, uncapping, and pumping. Oh, but before I do that, I need to make sure that it comes out and get the air out of that. And then I will connect it, and pumping lightly. I will go through with my thing unclamped, then pumping through, and then once that is all done, dispose of that, get out a new alcohol pad, rub this well, and clamp it at that point once I've put the saline flush in. And now I will do the same thing with my heparin. All right, we're good. Connect it here, unclamp, and do the same thing with my heparin flush as I go through. Then I will undo the heparin. I'll get my alcohol prep pad out, rubbing it very well. I will then take a new alcohol cap, sterile cap, and put it over the site. And now my patient is done.